Best planters for plants in 2024. Planting the seeds of a vibrant garden requires more than just green thumbs. In 2024, the world of planters has evolved, offering innovative solutions to cultivate your green haven. Join us on this horticultural journey as we unveil the secrets of the you-know-about best planters for plants in 2024. Trends in planters 2024. The world of planters is evolving, with new styles and materials emerging. LSI keywords such as modern planters and sustainable options seamlessly blend into this section, unveiling the aesthetic and eco-friendly trends shaping 2024. Choosing the right planter. Picking the perfect planter involves more than aesthetics. Explore factors like size, drainage, and material, providing readers with a comprehensive guide to ensure their plants flourish. Top materials for durable planters. Delve into the world of planter materials, from weather-resistant ceramics to lightweight yet sturdy fiberglass. By incorporating LSI keywords like durable planters, we guide readers in making informed decisions for lasting and stylish choices. Innovative features in modern planters. Smart planters and sustainable options take center stage. With a positive tone, introduce the exciting world of self-watering systems, solar-powered features, and environmentally conscious designs that make plant care a breeze. DIY planters, a creative approach. Injecting personality into your green haven is easy with DIY planters. This section encourages readers to embrace their creative side with unique, homemade solutions that add a personal touch to their plant display. Maintaining healthy plants and planters. Transition into the practical side of plant care. Share expert tips on soil, watering, and sunlight exposure, fostering an optimistic tone that assures readers their plants will thrive in any planter they choose. Landscaping with planters. Elevate gardening to an art form by incorporating planters into landscape design. Use this section to inspire readers with ideas on how to integrate planters seamlessly into their outdoor spaces. Budget-friendly options. A positive approach is taken to showcase that quality planters don't have to break the bank. Explore affordable yet durable options, ensuring readers find the perfect planter within their budget. Customer reviews and recommendations. Real-life experiences add authenticity. Share customer testimonials, creating a connection with the audience through relatable stories of planters that exceeded expectations. Conclusion. Summarize key points, emphasizing the importance of choosing the right planter for plant health and aesthetics. Touch on future trends to keep readers excited about the ever-evolving world of planters.
If you have enjoyed the video, please like it, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more content. Your support is highly appreciated. Folded hands.